Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Colgate-Palmolive is a Fortune 500 company within the household products industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 2.8%. Earnings growth, minus 1.20%. Earnings estimates, 6.64%. Return on capital, 26.42%. Debt to free cash flow, 3.36 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.6%. Payout ratio, 55.94%. Growth rate, 2.9%. Growth years, 17 years. That gives Colgate-Palmolive 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate Colgate-Palmolive as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Colgate-Palmolive is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Colgate-Palmolive in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.